If we improve 1% every day, at the end of the year, we'll be 37 times better than what we are now. Okay, class, many of you fail very badly. If you want to pass the run test, you need to run every day. Okay? Come, I believe you can do it. Let's go. To be honest, this method never worked for me. No matter how much I motivated the students, most of the students will not run. It is very difficult to motivate the students, especially when it is to work hard for something that they are very weak in. But I believe that every student wants to do well. It's just that they felt it's too difficult, which makes them very unmotivated to start. So how can we motivate the students to work hard? And how can we sustain that motivation? There's one method that worked very well for me. Have you heard of this 1% rule? The rule states that every time we practice, we focus on improving 1%. Yes, just 1%. You might think that it is pointless. But if you have read the book Atomic Habits by James Clear, you will understand that if we improve 1% every day, at the end of the year, we'll be 37 times better than what we are now. Many people told me that these theories only work for people who practice every day. It does not work for our unmotivated students. But that's precisely what James Clear was saying. If we want our students to develop a habit, to overcome a very big challenge, we need to teach them to start small, really small. That's why it's called Atomic Habits. And every time they practice, we teach them to focus on improving only 1%. And when it feels easy to do, they are more likely to do it again the next day. And over time, they will form their habits. Let's say we want to help our students who always fail their 2.4 kilometer run test. To show them that we understood their stress, we told the students that it's very difficult to pass the running test and they need to develop a running habit. To show them how, we told them that from the next lesson onward, we will run at the start of every PE lesson. But on day 1, it's just going to be a 2-minute run. When it's just 2 minutes, everyone will be very motivated. Then in the next lesson, we told the students to add 1% to the 2 minutes, which is about 2 minutes and 1.2 seconds. Again, because it's easy, the students will be very motivated. Then in the third lesson, we did the same, adding 1% to the run, which is about 2 minutes and 2.4 seconds. Then after every run, we asked the students, is it very difficult? No, right? Imagine you do this every day. What do you think will happen at the end of the year? You'll be able to run easily for 1 hour. I find that this method of motivating the students works very well. That's because every student wants to do well, want to be fitter, want to pass the running test. But sometimes the target is too far away. That is why they felt that there's no point in them starting. But when they realize that all they need to do is to form a habit, and forming the habit is not daunting, they'll be motivated to do it.